Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I want to show you guys how you can make a really good amount of money online. Personally, I've been making around $150 to $200 per day, and I've actually not put that much effort. And I started only around 4 days ago, and yeah, it's been going really well. So first thing you're gonna want to do is go on any browser on your Android or iOS device. And you're going to want to go on apptesters.online. So basically all you need to do is test a free game or app in this list, and you get points for doing so, and you redeem those points for rewards, and 1 point is $1, guys. So let's say you want to do Clash of Lords 2. All you need to do is download it, install the app, and run it for 30 seconds, and you get $25 for doing that, which is really cool, guys. And there's a bunch of more games, and this list updates once in a while. So yeah, it's really cool. Comment any questions down below. Yeah, peace, guys.